Yun. Buksan na natin kahit walang permission sa mother. Kasi ano pang hihintayin. Yun. This is it. First of all, kunin natin tong brand new rice cooker. Hindi ko makuha. Ito lang pala. Oh, may ulam na. Ulam. Lumipad yung takip. Ayan. Diba? Tapos what is this? Premium whole almond tea. This conditioner. Buti lang, hindi ako nag-grocery. So, shampoo. Toothbrush. Bumili pa ako ng toothbrush. Oh my gosh, no. What is this? Oh, yung drink. Para kita lang. Tapos, what is this? Utensils. Kutsara, tinidor. Tapos knife. Bread knife. Okay. Kompleto na. May underwear. Ay, plastic pala. May plato din. Tapos may duck. Kumaya na yan. And ito. Testing. Tapos biglang sumabog, no? Yun, gumagana. Yink. Gumagana siya. Tinta ka muna. So, isa. Ano ito? Nakalimutan ko kung ano ito. And may bag. Mamaya na yan. Ito muna. Knife. Para siyang ano, lagari na knife. Bread knife ulit. What's this again? Tapos extension wire. Then yes, this is the real deal. Ito na ating rice cooker. No. Sealed. Yan. Super cute na rice cooker. Para sa akin. Wow. Tapos yung pasansin. That's it. Then this nice tea. May sinampay. Yung mga yan ay tiyo na. So, wow. This is the induction Pero pang prito lang. Hindi ko na. Ano mas? Diba? Para kasi uy, wow, prito. Domus hindi sponsored ng Man Grill, diba? Tapos okay naman, kaya naman yan. Then the electric heater, wala, meron pa, wala. Electric heater, diba? Makakapagkapit na. What's this? Tasa. Bibili pa sana. Tasa pa. Good thing. Wow. Minnie Mouse. Kung babae. Hindi ba akin ba to? Binuksan ko, sorry. Wala namang nakasulat kung kanina. So, I think it's mine. Or not. Tapos, may bag. So, dyan lang mo yan. Itang bag. Whoa! What is this? Ala, nadurog. Ramen noodles. Poguri. Tapos, what's this one? Okay. Then, whoa, what's this? Walang pangalan. Tanong natin. Plastic. Oh, okay. Snacks. Fries. Snack. Diba? Sourdough worms. Pwede na akong mag-vlog. And Frutella yogurt. Not sponsored. Tapos Korean Oreo with Minecraft theme. See the creeper. Ano yan sasabi mo? Then Choco. Shit. Yun lang. Right. So that's all. Let me confirm kung ang akin to. Mamaya. Minnie Mouse. Pag hindi, ay di plastic play natin. Sinampay pa. Then, that's basically it. Okay. You should like, share, and subscribe. And see you back on the next video. Bye-bye.